Maliwanag yan. Kung makakabasa ka, dapat maintindihan mo. Basta normal lang ang mentalidad mo at hindi ka lang autistic. I charge that all these cabinet members are suffering from narcissism to such an extent that they have now become autistic and should be examined by the Secretary of Health, beginning with himself. Dahil nakalagay maliwanag any person who uses under any guise whatsoever, directly or indirectly, public funds shall be guilty of an election offense. Yan ang problema ng ating bansa dahil binabaluktot natin ang batas para sa ating kapakanan. May I just say to those two girls there, will you please stop smiling and looking at your cell phones? If you're not listening to my speech, please step out now. Nakaka-insulto yung ginagawa ninyo sa Senado ng Pilipinas.